Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my recent video was my 5 a.m. wake up, and I got so many questions about how do I prep for that. And what I realized when I started filming my routine, what you guys will see in this video, is that I actually just do things every few days to set me up for the next few days. So instead of it just being one full day of just prepping all day, meal prepping, I actually just take the time and do it every few days. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Tennis is cute, right? Like, I love the tennis fashion. I'm not calling tennis easy, by the way. Where's my, oh, there it is. Not calling it easy, just literally saying I love the fashion. Today it's windy, so I'm wearing a long sleeve. And what I like about this long sleeve is it also protects you from the sun, but it's really lightweight. Like, you don't get hot in it or anything. Oh, that was a lot. Mornings all about the hot. I put this in hot coffee in the morning. Afternoon, this is my moment. Like when Violet's napping, just got home from tennis, iced coffee is my moment. Okay, so you know how people take the other Dyson hair dryer and they just kind of like rough dry? I've been rough drying with I've been kind of doing it with this attachment, because if I just go straight into air wrapping, I notice that the top of my hair doesn't dry all the way. So I love how your hair comes out like a blowout. Like, it literally looks like I got a blowout. So I just leave it like this day one, and then I sleep on it, and then I brush it out. Brokers are better. Mortgage.
Can't even spell mortgage though.
Oh my god. So Jared put up like shade on Instagram.
So I posted this video. No shade, but it's true. Brokers are better. But look at how this dum-dum spells mortgage. Jesus.
Yeah, it's just so funny that Jared's like throwing shade and then making spelling errors. But anyway, it's 5 p.m. We're starting dinner. And this dinner is also going to be a meal prep. And while I'm cooking, I'm having my glass of wine. And this is something that I am going to be having with my fitness journey, with seeing abs again, with losing weight for summer, more so losing fat. During my pregnancy, I kind of put on a lot of fat and lost muscle. So even though... What? I let her have it. It's my old camera that doesn't work. So, what is she doing with it? Is she pretending to vlog?
Yeah. Just playing with it.
Aww. Yeah, she saw it in our room and I was just like, okay. Okay, so the oven's ready. And I pretty much stick to low sugar drinks. So this one is a Sauvignon Blanc. And then I also like Skinny Girl margaritas. That's more like when we go out though. We don't make margaritas at home. I actually already filmed how I make this chicken, so I will leave that down below. I also have it on my TikTok. Tonight we are making that same chicken, and we are making like a ginger sesame salad. And what I like about breaded chicken, like making chicken cutlets, by the way, they're sitting right here. I got 2 packages of it, and then me and Jared just thin cut them so that it's like they're all like the same, nice and thin. But what I found was they're really good the first night. The next day you can have it cold in a chicken wrap. So that's how I like to prep for my weeks. We're going to be mixing Italian breadcrumbs and panko. I shared in my video how I make this chicken cutlet and I used panko, but today we're mixing it. And then this tip, a lot of people really appreciated and I got a lot of feedback, was to salt and pepper your egg mix. I think a lot of people think if you're using the breadcrumbs, that's gonna give flavor, but some of it like shakes off, and this is directly touching the chicken. This is the first layer. Okay, so these are all the seasonings: garlic salt, salt, and pepper. You're gonna be a little vlogger? I like your pants, Mom.
What?
I like your pants. My mom's back in town. The band's back together.
Party! Party!
Boss back.
Oh,
Coco. So I salt and pepper the eggs, and then I add garlic salt to the panko and breadcrumb mix. You don't have to mix panko and breadcrumbs, but I decided to. And then I dip the thin cut chicken in the egg and then the breadcrumb mix. And then there's a little olive oil on my pan, as you can see, and I just lay it on there. Then I preheat the oven to 350. I bake for 30 minutes. You want to flip halfway through. And then I'm using a salad kit to make my base, and I'm not using the dressing it came with. By the way, if you're watching my Insta stories, this isn't the salad kit that I'm obsessed with. You're gonna see that at the end of the video. The avocado one's okay, but the one at the end is the best. Then I use the Bragg sesame ginger dressing. So delicious. You like your seaweed?
Lately, yeah. This last like week or two, and pretty windy.
You like your chicken salad?
Oh, it's really good.
You like that dressing? I love that ginger dressing. I want to buy that more often.
hold on.
I knew. Not to be dramatic, but waking up at 5 a.m. has literally been life-changing. I have time to listen to a podcast. I have time to edit a video. I have time to have coffee in peace. I highly recommend trying it. I ripped my dress. Well, my boobs did. So that's why I changed. But after Whole Foods, I like to walk to this little boutique. This is the Best Plaza. And this is the shop. And I already see something I like.
Wow.
This dress right here. Let's go in. Our little hack that we have been doing is we have been making brunch at home. We always want to go to brunch, but instead we started making bacon, cheesy eggs, and pancakes. So we do the buttermilk ones for Violet, the keto ones for us, add a little bit of cinnamon in the keto ones and they taste a lot better. And this way it's healthier than going out for brunch every Saturday. We're both trying to lose a little bit of fat, so this has been perfect. Just making brunch at home, and Violet loves it too. Little outfit of the day, sneakers, perfect for mom life. I just got this dress at that little market, and what's so cute is you follow them on Instagram if you're local, and you just pick out things you like and they will come to your house and drop it off. Saturday, perfect Saturday, just absolutely perfect. So we're walking to my mom's condo. Guys, the vibes here is just so good. This is like a really fun restaurant right here. Get right on the beach.
So good.
It was like to continue on it, but it's
We might have started it, but I think I fell asleep right
Like a
away.
meteor's gonna hit the world or whatever.
I love this spread.
Yeah.
Who's on your shirt?
Mermaid, you're gonna go in the pool? Starting Monday off right, and I'm going to Pilates. So sometimes I don't do Pilates until Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, but today I just felt like it really sets the tone for your Monday when you work out and move your body, and it kind of inspires the whole week. So that's why I switched it up and booked for today, just wearing little sandals there because I changed into Pilates socks, and this outfit is from Amazon. I love the lighter hair.
Thank you. It was a process. We got.
Alright, so if you can see my Alexa, it's 12:42, and now I'm going to be making lunch. And the salad that I really hyped on my Instagram, I hope that it's as good as I hyped it, because me and Jared were literally licking the bowl, and then we ended up getting like 3 or 4 more bags. We always buy 2 bags at a time because a lot of times Whole Foods is sold out. But basically, I was filming a video, I don't remember which one, but it's a recent video, and somebody commented and said that I should get into salad kits, because I was saying that I really want to have salads for lunch because all the veggies, the fiber, it all fills me up. But, here's the but. They're a lot of effort to make a lot of the time, or at least I feel like that, where you're chopping all the things and getting the dressing together. And I actually make really good homemade dressings just with apple cider vinegar and lemon, garlic. But a salad kit, it's just the best. So I'm going to be showing you the one that I've been buying. Okay, so Jared's gonna want all the credit because he's actually the one who found it. It's the Asiago Kale chopped salad. And you can check to see if your grocery store has it too. I find it at Whole Foods, and we don't use the croutons that they give us. We just use the salad, the cheese, and then a little bit of the dressing. We don't even use all of it, but I did check on the back to make sure the dressing was healthy, because the salad just tasted too damn good that I was like, what is in this dressing? I'm so glad whoever commented that on my video to get into salad kits, because they're also really great for dinner. Like when you are making something, like tonight we're making salmon with zucchini noodles, and I always like a side salad. And for us, we don't eat salad every single day. So when I buy that big mix and then like chop the vegetables and all of that, it goes bad. Like how many of us, like I know I'm not the only one who like is throwing out the greens later in the week. Literally perfect for prepping for a week. Screenshot, go find it, it's delicious. Croutons, we throw those out, we don't use those, and I just use the cheese and the salad dressing. And then I'll show you guys, if you do want like a crunch, you do want to add croutons, I'll show you what I do use. Add that on. Okay, so now I just take turkey. You could do cheese, you could do salami, and I just kind of add it in here like, forget, is it a chef salad? Yeah, I think it's a chef salad that they use turkey and stuff. And they always kind of roll it, or at least the place I would get it from did. And for like a crunch, you can add Parmesan cheese crisp if you want. I also sometimes get the little circle ones and throw them in there, and then that's even easier to eat, but we got these, so I'm just gonna use these. Then I took my delicious salad and I sat on my balcony. I didn't get to film this because I started filming TikToks, and this is the only video I have of me eating the salad. Today was literally the most easy makeup. I just put on concealer under my eyes and bronzer, like just the tiniest bit. And I feel like, and lip liner and a little mascara, but as far as like face makeup, and I feel like it's the summer vibe. I'm already practicing my summer makeup because summer comes fast in Florida, so I don't want like a lot of product on my face. I want to end this video with a chit chat about prepping for the week. I think something else that I do that really does work for me, and I saw a comment on my YouTube video recently about how do you stay consistent with waking up early, you know, doing all the things, prepping for the week, getting excited and all of that. And I think what I do is I also prep my mindset, and that might be something you forget about. Like, you write down your goals for the week, you might write down what you have going on, different things you have to do, you might have your workouts you plan out, your meals and all of that, but then like, did you remember to think about why you're doing what you're doing? And I think that's why so many of us get stuck, because we are just going with the motions and we're just doing the things to do the things, but we forget why we're doing it. Or even if you do have a really good why you're doing something, like your why is big, it's juicy, it's exciting, you did all that, we're human. It's normal to need motivation weekly, daily, monthly. For me, what has been really exciting and motivating is if you do the work, you're gonna get the results. That doesn't mean you could go from 0 to 100 in a day because you ate healthy one day and now you're gonna have your dream body. No, that's not what I'm saying. But when you do the work, you really do get the results. When you take the action, when you do the things that other people won't do, when you move the needle, when you take major action, you do get results. Yes, you have to be consistent, and yes, you have to show up daily, but I think just keeping it so simple like that and reminding yourself that if I do this, I'm gonna see results, because so many of us will do things for a period of time. Maybe you've been dieting for 2 weeks, or going to the gym for 2 weeks, or waking up early for a week, and your life as a whole hasn't completely changed. And that's where I want to stop you and say you are going to see results, and really having that confidence. So I hope that that's what you guys take from this video with prepping for your week, and, you know, finding inspiration in videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Comment down below, what do you want to see next? What do you think would be a great follow-up video to this video? I felt like I started with my 5 a.m. video, and a lot of you, I don't even know what I just said. A lot of you really liked that video, so then I followed it up with how I prep for my weeks and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.